Let me say this directly, understanding accounting principles should be something everyone learns, not because you need to become a CPA, but because it explains how money actually works in the real world. I'm not talking about learning how to do a journal entry or master debits and credits. I'm talking about understanding the basics of how businesses track money and whether they're actually making it or not. Start with this. Most people don't know the difference between revenue and profit. You can have a business that brings in $1 million a year and still be broke, because if you spend $1.2 million, you just lost money. That sounds obvious when I say it, but a lot of people are confused, or they don't understand fixed costs versus variable costs. Fixed costs are what you pay no matter what: your rent, your insurance, your salary. Variable costs change based on how much you produce or sell. Understanding that difference changes how you think about pricing and growth. Here's why it matters personally. If you own a business, you need to know if you're actually making money, not just whether you're busy or if customers seem happy. Cash, profit, return on investment, these are the metrics that matter. But even if you don't own a business, understanding accounting helps you as an investor. If someone's trying to get you to invest in something, you should be able to read their financial statements and understand if it makes sense. A lot of people lose money because they invested in something they didn't understand. And if you're working for a company, understanding the financials helps you understand your business. Why are they making certain decisions? Why are they cutting costs in some areas? If you know the profit margins and cash flow situation, you understand the reality. That makes you a better employee because you know what's realistic. Accounting is just the language of business. Learning any language opens doors. Once you understand how to read a financial statement, how to think about profit and loss, how to track money, you start seeing how everything connects. Why a business makes decisions, why an economy moves, why personal finance works. Most financial problems come down to not understanding basics. People get into debt because they don't understand compound interest. Businesses fail because they don't understand cash flow. I'm not saying you need to spend years studying, but spending time learning the fundamentals gives you a filter for making better decisions in your business and investments. Think about it this way. If I asked you to run a business, could you tell me if it was making money or losing money? Could you explain it to an investor? Most people couldn't without knowing some basic accounting. And the thing is, it's not hard. The concepts are simple. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. Revenue minus expenses equals profit. Cash in, cash out. These aren't complicated ideas. My advice is pick up a book on accounting fundamentals. Spend a weekend learning this stuff. Then look at your business or investments with fresh eyes. You'll be surprised what you notice, and you'll make better decisions.